Baby, I've been thinking about the things we said. Oh yeah. And maybe we'd be better off.
Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today's video we will be tackling 2 rooms, so we're going to be tidying up the kitchen along with the living room. So I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning off the countertops, and then I'm going to unload and reload the dishwasher. I recently changed the hardware on the cabinets. It was silver and black, and now we're going for the more gold touches in the kitchen. So I purchased this silverware set from Big Lots, and it actually has the marble bottom which goes with the backsplash, so I thought this would be perfect in the kitchen instead of the orange and blue ones that we have. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out and then put them in the dishwasher, and then I'll replace those once it's finished.
It's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
Here in North Carolina, I just feel like the weather is not as hot as it usually is around this time. So I'm so ready for the weather to get warmer. This morning, the natural light came through very well. So it actually looks like it's hot outside, but it actually was pretty chilly. So it was about 55 degrees that morning. So yeah, I'm definitely ready for summer weather. So I've been using the Everspring spray from Target. It is an organic all-purpose spray. So I actually just placed the liquid into the glass bottle, and I just purchased that glass bottle from Grove Collaborative. I've had it for a while, but it just looks neater and prettier in a glass bottle, so I just transferred it over. So if you purchase items from Grove Collaborative, I actually just purchased the scrub brush, and it actually comes with a handle. I personally don't use the handle. I've noticed that if I just use the scrub brush itself, it works better when cleaning dishes and cleaning out the sink. So there's a tip for you guys. If you feel like it's just uncomfortable when you're using the handlebar, you can just take that off and just use the actual scrub brush.
told you so.
For my stainless steel appliances, I always just use my all-purpose spray, and then I always use a microfiber cloth to wipe it down. It doesn't leave any smudges or anything. I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post weekly on cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle. So if you're into that type of motivation, you'll definitely love it here.
But I told you so.
So if you've been recently watching my videos, I started this technique a couple of videos back to where I take the items from the living room and the kitchen that don't belong, and I just put them on my entryway table, and then I take them back to the rooms that they do belong in, and I'll come back to that later. That has been working very well. So if you want to try that out, let me know in the comments below if it's worked for you.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's trouble in your mind, how I spend my time, but it's a 24-hour streak. Wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I'm not pretending, I'm more like this a game for.
So I just received this silverware organizer that goes in the drawer. However, it was too big to fit in our drawer, so I'm actually going to repurpose it and place all of my makeup in it. So I'm just going to organize all my makeup and place it in this container, and I'm going to show you how that turned out. So here's just a tip if you need to repurpose something.
No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So I'm so excited how this actually turned out, but let me know in the comments below what you think about it.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman. Boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Thank you guys for watching this clean with me. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next one.